sunny, folks. It's sunny. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a different way home, because I came on the M1 this morning and it was boring. And I don't like boring. I went into Sheffield Motorcycles on my lunch, had a look in there, and they've got a very nice K1600 GTL, which is, you know, it's pretty much like one of the ultimate tourers. Diesel all over the place. Wheel span it this morning. Didn't even know, I thought I was slipping the clutch. Yeah, fancy a tourer, fancy something to take it easy. Not just take it easy, but crunch the miles and be able to go at a steady pace without feeling like I've reduced my spine by 3 inches. Because this isn't the best bike to commute on. Good fun, but not the best bike. This is more for hooliganism, I suppose. I was sure that guy was going to turn right at the last. Oh, the smells as you come through here, not bad, not bad. Good smells, nice food. Come on, you tit, get through there in my fucking truck. Good, piss off, learn to drive. I don't mean it, I'm just being stupid. Oh. If you've ever watched like the Royal Jordanian, where he blips the throttle when people are crossing like that, it just makes me laugh. I don't think I'd get the same reaction on this. It's not the brap that you get from a single or a twin, but it's a bit of harmless fun. Oh my god, somebody's getting it in the ear. Go. Stop fannying about, the light's green, just fucking go, you muppet. Yeah, now you accelerate where you can't go, you fucking dozy prick. Yeah, this is what Sheffield does to me, folks. No, it's not Sheffield. This is what traffic does to me. It's just awful. I hate it. The fans have already come on. I'm already overheating because I'm not moving. It's fucking depressing. Get me out of here. Just because that guy really thought he could race, or I don't know, maybe he was just trying to get out of my way. No idea. I get so angry. Oof. Hope that's not Michael, because it's very burny. Stinkeroony. I'm going. Move, bitch, get out the way. Oh god. Oh, it's not, it can't be mine. That really fucking stinks, whatever that is. Looks like fucking tyres burning. Dickhead. Fucking saw me and then pulls out. Fucking bellend. What do you achieve by doing that? Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. He saw that I was being impatient and thought, I'm going this way, you tool, stay back. Oh, he can't fucking stop. This is fucking madness. I don't know why, like, Sheffield decided for Easter this year that they would have 2 weeks off before Easter, come back for 4 days, which is this week, and then decide to have 4 days off and then back to school. Bit strange. Surely you use more days holiday doing that. Maybe they all clubbed together and said, we're not paying the inflated holiday prices. You know, we're gonna sort of go against what everybody else is doing and go when we get the cheap holidays. Yeah, maybe the genius. I miss working at schools. I really enjoyed it. I did IT in schools, mainly in London, but Yorkshire as well. It was always good fun. But there's no money in it, and it's a real shame, because I would have stayed there quite happily until I retired. It was busy, but then you got all these times where there was no one in the building because they were all on holiday, and we didn't have to take our holiday then. We could take it whenever we wanted, so it was kind of cool. Enough about work. I'm out of work. No, I'm not out of work. I mean, I finished work for the day. Don't go, Mr. Ice Cream Man. Oh my god. The traffic looks shite. Got a learner. But I'm going. He hasn't seen me, has he? Ooh, cheeky. Revving a bit because just to make everybody know I'm there. It's not a good line to take down the inside of traffic, but you know, I got to that point where I used to do it all the time in London. Thank you, Mr. TNT. Don't I seem to be revving my bike? Wasn't expecting that. Looked like a complete tit. What the fuck is going on with traffic? What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Oh, I've just told myself the answer not 10 minutes ago, for God's sake. They're not on half term.